Let's try to solve these problems. Evaluate the following algebraic expressions. For number 1, x squared plus y minus x over xy if x is -1 and y is 2. So we have evaluation of algebraic expressions. So to evaluate an algebraic expressions, we simply substitute the values of the variables. So in this problem, we have variables x and y. Let's substitute these values to the expression. So we have x squared plus y minus x over xy. Substituting the values of x -1 and y is 2 in this expression, we have x replaced with -1, then squared, plus y replaced with 2, minus x again replaced with -1, over xy, so replace x with -1, replace y with 2. And then we just need to simplify this. So -1 square, it means -1 times -1 or +1. Then plus 2. Negative of -1, it will be +1. Over -1 times 2, it's -2. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 1, that's equal to 4, over -2. 4 divided by -2, it's -2. So the final answer is -2. For number 2, we have to evaluate 2 times quantity a cubed plus b minus c squared over d if a is -1, b is 3, c is -2, and d is 4. So we substitute the values of a, b, c, d here. So we have 2 times a, -1, then raised to the third, plus b, we have +3, minus c, we have -2, then raised to the second power, over d, which is 4. So simplifying this, we have 2 times -1 cubed. It means 3 factors of -1. So -1 times -1 times -1. So this will be -1. Then plus 3 minus. So we can simplify these exponents. -2 square means 2 factors of the base -2, or -2 times -2, +4, over 4. So we have 2 times -1 plus 3, that's equal to 2, minus 4 over 4, or 4 divided by 4, it's 1. So 2 times 2, that's 4, minus 1. So we have 4 minus 1 equal to +3. So the final answer is +3. For number 3, we have w squared v over u minus s if w is 2, v is 3, u is -4, and s is -5. So substituting the values, we have w squared, so w, we replace it with 2, then squared, v, we replace with 3, over u, we replace with -4, minus s, we replace with -5. So simplifying, we have 2 squared, it means 2 times 2 or 4 times 3, over -4 minus -5. So negative times -5, +5. Simplifying further, multiply 4 times 3, it's 12, over -4 plus 5, that's +1. So we have 12 over 1, or simply 12. So the final answer is 12. Okay, now it's your turn. So try to solve this problem and just comment your answers.